Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get transfer pin from Cricket. So if you want to get the transfer pin from Cricket wireless mobile device, then the fastest way to get your number transfer pin is to dial star port slash star porter from your Cricket wireless device. So you can also call 1-800 and the Cricket, that's mean you can use this number to 742538 from any device. When calling customer service, you will need your account pin to generate the number transfer pin. Note, customers may not be able to use this option when roaming on other carriers' wireless network. So keep in mind. From the MyCricket app, if you're using app and you want to generate the transfer pin, then from the home screen, click the gear icon to enter the account info screen. You will find it at the top right corner or at probably at the top right corner. From the account information screen, select the appropriate CTN from line settings, then click get my number transfer pin and you will get your number transfer pin easily. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.